Hi everyone, how are you? With this time I am going to talk about my favorite vacation and the resort called Reserva del Mar in Santa Marta. We traveled from Barranquilla by car. It was in the month April, in the week of recess, when arrived at the hotel, checking in and climbing to the 8th floor where the apartment we rented for our vacation was. It was beautiful. It had a kitchen, 3 bathrooms, and 2 rooms. After leaving our suitcase and putting on our swimsuit, we went up to the last floor and what I thought was a pool. But in reality there were 4 pools. There was a children's pool, which I slid, and many jets. There were 3 pools for adults. Barbecue and bar to drink liquor, and many hot tubs. We called relax will even cocktail. We was went on the day we were to visit the playa of the Redadero, and we right about to go to the beautiful beach called Playa Blanca. There we had a fish of kilo of weight, a relax and asked pizza delivery. I love pizza. I would wonder family vacation. I hope to repeat them one day. We had a great time. The year and fun like never before, and so did we. Thank you.